This is Prizm 8021. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. Here we go. I don't remember it now, but I definitely will remember it if you hint at it. Yes, we hit a... Oh, what? We sent that ages ago. 5 times, here we go. 1, wow. 2, it's bloody seen more of the world than I have. 3, 4, and 5. Top is Minnesota Timberwolves. Bottom is the Chicago Bulls. That's 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you... Yeah, that's right. I like that one. All right, here we go with 8021. Let's do it. Where the bad folks go when they die, they don't go to heaven where the angels fly. Anyone have a good pie crust recipe? Jalen Johnson. Silver, Max Kleiber, James Harden Silver, Fireworks Fearless, and Dayron Sharp. Sensational signatures. Oh, man, remember that Nebula Herbert? I was going to buy that very early on. Silver, D'Angelo Russell, Mindset Silver, Giannis, wide screen Steph Curry. So I had hit that card, and I was going to message Fergo to buy it because he hadn't started yet. And then Herbie started Isaiah Livers that weekend. Red Wave Monty Morris. Hyper Rashid Wallace. Prismatic LaMelo Ball. Trey Murphy. That's a really good joke, Bailey. Red Wave Naz Reid, Hyper Josh Jackson, Giannis Prismatic. Bailey, that's actually really, really funny. Oh, Jerry, Jalen Green, Silver Bismack Biombo, a Danny Green, number 275. A Drew Holiday, 75 years, silver. No, I gave that to him ages ago. Hey, Dragon, how are you? Keon Johnson. RJ Barrett, silver. No, he just decided to attack me for no reason. Red, Christian Wood to 299. Drew and Russell Westbrook, Fireworks Russell Westbrook. Yes, release day for Prizm NBA. Red Wave, Markel Fultz. A purple cracked ice D-Rob for the Spurs. To 149. Yes, he does. Ben Wallace. Oh, finally, another Mojo, Jaden Spring. It's been such a long day without Mojos, my friend. Jared Butler for the Utah Jazz. It's not a rookie, and they play for the Spurs. Will it be D-Rob again? It's not, but it's probably just as good. Tim Duncan, Mojo for the Spurs in 8021. Who's got him? Nice little pickup there for the Spurs. Spot 20, it's CW Ma. It's a 25, 24 or 25, D-Book. The first couple of boxes felt amazing, David Johnson. Ayo Samu. Silver, Sandro. Hyper, Jalen Noel. Fireworks, Anthony Edwards. So, do you remember, does anyone remember that show, Scotty Barnes? Felt like the guy who defrosted or something, and he was in like a normal town, but he was a bit of a weirdo. Silver, Delano Banton. It was super gross. Brook Lopez. Mindset. LeBron James. feel like it's something Bailey would remember. Jason Preston. Blue, Alexei Pokuševski. Mindset, Donovan Mitchell. Jonathan Kuminga. Jared Butler. It was Nickelodeon. No. Steph Curry, Prismatic. And for the Wizards, Corey Kispert, like Ernie. No, Kids Show. And that is Prizm 8021.